Inflation is rising at its highest rate in more than a decade, but saving and spending are also going up. And with such big moves in the market, now is the time to balance your investments. After all, how often do you look at your 401k or your investments? Fox 59's Scott Jones is stretching your dollar with 3 mid-year tips to make the most out of your money.
What a roller coaster for stocks and bonds, and chances are that's where your money is invested.
Yeah, July's been a crazy month for the stock markets. They've been ping-ponging up and down.
So, middle of the year is a great time to look at your spending plan, says Casey Marx, president of Crown Haven Wealth Advisors. Whether you're a big investor or small, we have 3 mid-year steps.
Analyze your budget, look at your expenses, and really make sure that you're saving more than you're spending. Last year really highlighted the need for that.
That's because the COVID pandemic is still going on and getting worse again with the more contagious Delta variant. He says estate planning is key because you never know what will happen. Number 2, planning. That includes having financial power of attorney, a will with a named executor, regardless of age. And if you've already done that, make sure they are updated with the correct information.
Correct. It goes through the courts, or if you're in the hospital's going to determine who that person is. It's a very difficult thing to figure out on the fly.
And the third and final step regarding your money during the mid-year, look at your risk capacity and your risk tolerance. It changes as you get older, and maybe you don't have money from a job coming in.
When the utility of your money changes, you really need to make sure that you're balancing the risk that you're at. And it's great if your equity positions have done well, but you really want to be looking at that and determining whether or not you're overweighted into any one asset class.
Do that, and you could lose a lot of money all at once. Scott Jones, Fox 59 News.